Rivian pickup truck that was here last week. You can see other videos on the channel. Absolutely beautiful. Looks like he's getting ready to leave. Yeah, he's programming up. Big brake pads on it. The whole road is huge.